Welcome to Learn and Challenges. Basic IT questions and answers. Question number 1. Which of the following options is true with respect to computers? A computer is a programmable electronic machine or device designed to take data, process it, and provide meaningful information. B. A computer can only understand binary language written as O's and 1's. C. A computer is an electronic machine or device that helps to process arithmetic and logical operations.
D.
All of the above. Waiting for your answer. The answer is D. Question number 2. Who is known as the father of computer? A. Dennis Ritchie. B. Bill Gates. C. Charles Babbage. D. James Gosling. Waiting for your answer. The answer is C. Charles Babbage. Question number 3. Who is credited with the creation of the first mechanical computer, the difference engine? A. Blaise Pascal. B. Gordon Moore. C. Bjarne Stroustrup. D. Charles Babbage. Waiting for answer. The answer is D. Charles Babbage.